अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग वेल। अब हम चैप्टर नंबर 1 के जो मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको करेंगे सॉल्व और साथ साथ मैं आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन भी दूंगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है कि व्हाट इज़ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मैस। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी ऑप्शन, दैट इज़ मैस रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट ड्यूरिंग अ केमिकल रिएक्शन। अब इसका रीज़न ये है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मैस, mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. It remains constant. Okay. Number 2 is, what does the peer review process ensure in scientific research? Answer is B, accuracy and validity of findings. इसका रीज़न क्या है कि peer review checks a scientist's work for correctness, logical reasoning and reliability before it is published. Number 3 is, which of the following was an 18th century chemical paradigm? इसका आंसर है B, phlogiston theory. Because in the 18th century, the phlogiston theory was widely accepted as an explanation for combustion before it was replaced by modern theories. Question number 4 is, what does the periodic table of elements organize? Answer is B, elements by their properties and atomic number. रीज़न ये है कि मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल अरेंज द एलिमेंट्स इन ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक नंबर, ग्रुपिंग देम बाय सिमिलर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. नंबर 5 इज, व्हाट डज अ 95% कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल मीन इन साइंटिफिक रिपोर्टिंग? आंसर इज बी, there is a 5% chance the results are incorrect, because a 95% confidence level means the results are likely correct 95% of the time, implying a 5% probability of error. Number 6. Which model of the atom includes a central nucleus? It's Rutherford's model. Reason is that Rutherford's cold foil experiment showed atoms have a dense central nucleus surrounded by electrons. Number 7. What does repeatability in scientific experiments refer to? Its answer is same results under the same condition, because repeatability measures whether an experiment yields identical results when repeated under the same setup. Number 8. What is reproducibility in scientific experiments? Its answer is same results using different methods. Its reason is because reproducibility means getting consistent results when an experiment is performed with different methods or by different researchers. Number 9. What paradigm replaced the phlogiston theory? Its answer is theory of combustion, because Antoni Lavoisier theory of combustion replaced the phlogiston theory, explaining burning as a reaction with oxygen. Number 10. Which property does the periodic table help to predict? Answer is the properties of elements, because the periodic table groups elements in a way that helps to predict their chemical and physical properties based on their positions.